bags heavy, I don't get it. How come I haven't hit it already? Still working, I'm still learning, I'm still searching, finally earning something, finally turning something called a profit. If I hear you talking shit, don't get caught in it. I'll be popping off and hit your ass, dropping all your shit. Yeah, I promise this, I got promises.
I am currently going to clean a client's house, and these are all my equipment. I have my vacuum, I have that mop over there, and my towels are here. Maybe I should buy some more towels, but maybe I'm kind of late, so I'm ready to go. Alright, so this is how your boy is looking. I did my haircut by myself, but lately I've been messing up. If you see the back, you even laugh. I think so. Look, when I last looked at the mirror, I think somewhere like this was like bald or something, or maybe there's hair here, there's no hair here. But lately I don't really give a fuck because I don't even care. I don't care about anything. I'm just making money, grinding, and about to get to this forex thing, man. Stay disciplined. We'll see how it goes. My job is starting around 11 o'clock to clean the client's house. So right now I'm just about to head there. It's better to be early than to be late, right? And this cleaning job is really important because you want to retain your customers. If I retain my customers, it's even better. You need that regular income coming in. So let's get going.
But it's too late now. I remember you and me, and how careless we could be.
All day and all night, we'd stay up, it felt so right. We were so young, we were so dumb. We would get drunk and then hook up. We were okay, we were alright, staying awake till the sunrise. We were in love, couldn't stop us, like a good drug, never enough. We'd hook up in my car, driving so far, play your guitar, you'd show me your art, let down our guards, think with our hearts.
We are done with that cleaning job, and we got a $20 tip. The man said I did really good, so $20 richer. Alright guys, let's do a little bit of chart work. These are the two trades that I'm in right now. Is Canadian dollar JPY and I think Euro USD, Canadian dollar USD. Let's start with the weekly time frame, right? I've made things easy for myself. All I'm doing, I'm looking for the same direction on both the weekly time frame, both the daily time frame and the 4-hour time frame. We are looking for confluence. What is happening on the weekly time frame? Weekly time frame, we have created a high, another high, and then another high. So I know that this is my trading range. All I'm doing right now is scaling now down to the daily time frame. What has been happening? We've seen a big push to the upside, and we've drawn our trend line. We've seen low, low, and if this is acting as a support level, then we've seen kind of like a higher low here and then a higher high. So I'm definitely bullish. I scaled down to the 4-hour. That's where I want to take my trades, right? In the 4-hour, what is happening? We have our low here, we have our higher low here. Why? Because it already created a higher high. So we know we are in a bullish uptrend right now. And moving average, also the 50 moving average has broken, is below price, right? Before it was above, now it's below. Our trend line also has been broken. These are all the bullish confluences that I'm using, and I'm inside this trade, and we'll see how it plays out, right? Similar to what I saw on Euro USD, just long trend line, It's been broken. It looks like a pullback because what? In the higher time frames we are bullish, and then we've trend down, and then we've come to see this level of support right here. Scale down to the daily time frame. What is happening in the daily time frame? We have this our low, another one, boom boom, you know, these are acting as support, and we finally broke everything, right? We broke not only our moving average, but we broke our trend line, right? And then this is eventually a higher low, so we are bullish on the daily time frame. And on the 4-hour time frame, this is what it looks like. It's more clear, shows you that now we are moving up. So we want to be participating in this market as buyers. If market was to come back down here, you know, like a pullback, I'm willing to take the trade again, you know, because I'm very bullish on Euro USD. That's what we're looking for this week. And this is what my 10K account looks like. FTMO. One thing I've learned is that if you cannot pass a 5K account, you will not be able to pass a 10K account. You will not be able to pass a 20K account, you know, 40K account, 50K account, 60K account, you know. So that's what Forex is all about. So it doesn't matter what account you trade, you have to be able, if you can do this on the 10K account, there you can now scale up to your 100K account. You don't have to go and get a 100K account and say you want to be serious, it's more money, blah blah blah. So currently this is what the PNL looks like. We are definitely in a drawdown, but we just have to trust the process, right? Everything looks good here. Discipline score, we look good. This is our minimum trading days. We have passed that. The only objective that we are waiting for is to finally get that 10K. So you can see it's showing you my win rate is 30% and my average profit is $35. My average loss is $27, which is very it's not bad because my wins are bigger than my losses, which that's a good side of trading, right? But we need to make some improvement here. In short, my average risk to reward is also good. As you can see, 1, 2, as long as it's above 1 is good, or even if 1 is good. What the dashboard is looking like in April. But I think I started this account, let's see. Okay, yes, there's a big loss here. That was my first trade, I believe. I'm risking 50.5%, so half, $50 per trade. So this was 2 trades. We took that loss, and then boom, that was March, and then this is April. So hopefully we end the month with a green, but we just have to trust the process. The more trades you take doesn't equal the more money you make or whatever. Maybe you can learn more, but also the more trades you take means the more mistakes. So that's why I'm comfortable just sticking with like a swing trade like this, so I can hold it for like maybe the whole week or a couple of days. That's why you can see I'm only looking at that weekly time frame, daily time frame, and then the 4-hour time frame. So let's see how things goes, because it's better to look at this market, to buy this market and wait until it plays out, than to scale down to the 5 minute and try to sell. Next thing you know there's a big candle pushing up. Everything is just messed up with mistakes. With that being said, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow. Definitely, we're gonna see if we take a trade tomorrow. I'll update you guys. If not, no problem.